Good morning to everyone. My topic is Nano-Sensor in Healthcare, Transforming Medicine through Precision and Scaling. Defining the Nano-Sensor. Nano-Sensor are the specified sensing device with at least one dimension less than 100 nanometers. They are designed to convey information about the behavior of nanoparticles to the macroscopic world. Detect specification, biomedical, chemical or physical stimuli. Operate at the same scale as cellular components, enable real-time detection of trace molecules. Why nano? The power of scale. High surface area, enormous surface to volume ratio, increase sensitivity by providing more binding sites for analytics. Cellular integration, small enough to enter cells or interaction with DNA without disrupting biological process. Quantum effects, unique electrical, optical and magnetic properties appear at the nanoscale, enhancing detection. Evolution of medical sensors. The journey from benchtop laboratory equipment to invisible wearable sensor has been driven by nanotechnology. In 1970s, large clinical chemical sensor, 1990s microsensor and MEMS technology, 2010s breakthrough in 1D and 2D nanomaterials, today fully integrated lab on chip system, carbon nanotubes and graphene. 1D and 2D surface material, carbon based nanomaterials are the backbone of modern electrochemical sensor, CNTs, high electrical conductivity and mechanical strength for biosensing. Graphene, atom thick sheet offering zero gap semi-conductivity, EG is equal to 0. Chiral armchair are the materials. Quantum dot and gold nanoparticles, optical and noble metal advantages. Quantum dots, QDs and gold nanoparticles, AUNPs enable advanced optical diagnosis. Quantum dots, fluorescent semiconductor crystal used for imaging. Cold NPs, surface plasma resonance SPR, properties for caloric test. Mechanism of action. A typical healthcare nanosensor follow a standard sign transduction pathway. Recognition. Bioreceptors, antibodies, DNA capture the target molecules. Transduction. Nanomaterial converts biological event into a measurable science. Readout. Electronic system displays concentration or status. Sensor classification. Types: electrochemical, optical, mechanical and thermal. Mechanism: current voltage change, light absorption, mass variation, heat of reaction. Examples and applications: glucose monitoring, pathogen detection, DNA hybridization, enzymatic activity. Diagnostics and early detection, the first line of defense in modern healthcare. Cancer biomarkers. Detection of biomarkers at the single molecule level allows for stage 0 diagnosis, identifying PSAs for prostate cancer, CA 125 for ovarian cancer, AFP of liver cancer. Circulating tumor cells, CTs. Nanosensor can capture rare CTs circulating in the blood, providing a liquid biopsy that avoids invasive tissue sampling. Efficiency benefits: conventional method miss 90% of CTCs, nanoarrays capture greater than 95%. Continuous glucose monitoring. Nanotechnology has replaced painful finger picking with minimally invasive sensor. Carbon nanotube based electrodes, high specific glucose oxidase immobilization, real-time telemetry to smartphone. Infectious disease rapid test. Nanosensor enable rapid POC testings for viruses like COVID-19, HIV and Ebola with laboratory grade accuracy. Results in greater than 15 minutes, high sensitivity to viral RNA, no specialized lab equipments needed. Cardiac health monitoring. Troponin 1. Nanosensor detect troponin levels within minutes of heart attack. Cholesterol. Non-enzymatic detection of LDL HDL ratio using nanowires. Myoglobin. Early warning signal detection for myocardiac infarction. Neurodegenerative diseases. Detecting amyloid beta and tau proteins in cerebrospinal fluid at ultra low concentration for early Alzheimer diagnosis. Early detection years before symptoms. nanofluid chips analysis, monitoring disease progression. Monitoring and wearable tech, continuous health tracking beyond the hospitals. Wearable sensors, flexible and biocompatibility are the hallmark of modern wearable nanotechnology. Epidermal electronic smart tattoos, textile integrated sensors, motion and posture tracking. Smart wound care, smart bandage embedded with nanosensor monitor the microenvironment of wound, pH and temperature sensing, detection of bacterial infection markers, controlled drug release on demand. Non-invasive analysis, analyzing biofluid like sweat, saliva and tears for health insights, sweat, lactate, cholesterol and electrolyte monitoring for athletes, saliva, stress markers and infectious disease screening, tear, glucose monitoring via smart contact lenses. Point of care and personalized medicine, bringing the lab to patient. Lab on a chip, LOC. LOC integrates multiple laboratory functions on a single chip of only millimeter to few square centimeter in size. Automated sample preparation, reduced reagent consumption, parallel analysis of multiple targets. Tailored therapeutic, personalized medicine use nanosensors data to provide the right treatment at the right time, monitoring drug metabolism in real time, adjusting dosage based on psychological response, predicting adverse reaction before they occur. The paradigm shift from one size fits all to data-driven individual care. Future tech and innovations beyond the current horizon of possibilities. In vivo monitoring, implantable nanosensors offering long-term monitoring of chronic conditions deep within the body, biodegradable sensors that vanish after use, wireless power and data transmission, monitoring organ transplant rejection. Medical nanobots, autonomous nanomachines designed to perform medical tasks, target delivery of chemotherapeutics, cleaning arterioid blockages, preparing cellular damage at the DNA level. AI and big data fusion, predictive healthcare, combining nanosensor streams with AI allow for predictive modeling of health crisis, detecting heart failure 48 hours in advance, epidemic tracking via network sensors, automated health reporting for physician, AI interpret nano noise into clinical insights. Market overview 2025 to 2023. USD dollar of 2024 is $950. Forecasting 2033 1890. Nanosensor market size 2024 to 2023 is gradually growing to in 2033. Challenges and barriers. Biocompatibility, ensuring nanomaterials do not cause immune reactions or toxicity over time. Regulatory hurdles, complex FDA EMA approved processes for novel nanotechnology devices. Cost of production, high manufacturing cost for specialized cleanroom based fabrication. The smart healthcare ecosystem. We are moving towards a future of continuous health monitoring where sensors are invisible but ever present, integrated into the Internet of Medical Things IoT, zero power sensor, energy harvesting from body heat, democratized global healthcare access.